Hi guys, I'm out fishing in Storm Franklin, Caking Farm on Oak Lake. I'll show you the lake. There we are. It don't look that windy, but it's not as windy as it was earlier. Some rods. So I lost my cradle earlier, and luckily it didn't go in the lake, it just landed next to the lake. Yeah, it's a nice afternoon apart from this bit of wind. So I haven't had anything yet. The guy a couple of swims down's had a 31, I think it's a new 30 as well out of here. Lovely fish, mirror. So yeah, hopefully we'll get into some fish and we'll see you in a bit. Little storm. Easy. It's nice and calm here just a minute ago. It's just come on all of a sudden. Right guys, bit of a result. I'm into the afternoon now on the second day, and I just had a 26 mirror, first carp out of Oak Lake. Very chuffed about that. Very hard fighting, good fish, lovely scales. So yeah, it looks all good, and it's good for another bite. So hopefully we'll have a couple more later on and in the night. Get back to you when that happens. Hi guys, about 8:30. It's the last night tonight. Got to be off 10 o'clock in the morning. I've just had absolute Delgin 1 toner, and it's a 24-pound fully scaled, absolute stunner. Bang over fish, real nice apple scales on it, absolute cracking fish, so chuffed with it. So rods are back out, hopefully we'll get another one before tomorrow. Hopefully boys, let's go. Hi guys, sorry I didn't do a video at the end of my session, but I got all packed up apart from the rods, and the heavens open, so I just got the rods in and went home. I didn't have any more fish unfortunately, but I did get a lot of liners first thing in the morning, so I'm confident I would have had another fish if I hadn't had to go so early. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a quick message, quick update to the end of the session. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe and comment. If you don't want to subscribe, just like. That really makes a lot of difference to the channel. Thank you very much guys.